40% of the content currently consumed on the internet is of video format. Sure, there's still a huge space for long and short form content, but videos are being consumed left, right, and center. If you still haven't jumped into the boat of video marketing, don't worry, it's never too late. Hi, I'm Josh from Vmaker, and in this video I will be showing you how you can get started with creating a video marketing strategy. Wait, there's more. We've drafted a ready-to-use content calendar with 50 plus video ideas that you can start using right away. Let's get started with the video. Is video marketing really a thing? Yes, it's a big thing right now. The internet loves video content because it's engaging and the visuals help retain and recollect information. From emails to social media, videos have found success across all platforms and channels. Videos are the easiest form of content to consume and thus have found success in brand awareness, influencing buyer decision, and also customer retention. So, how do you incorporate videos as part of your marketing strategy? Here are 5 simple ways to draft your video marketing strategy. Define the objective of your video. Depending on the type of video, the messaging, and the channel, the objective of the video would vary. It's important to align your output metrics and the goal with the objective of the video campaign, thus making it pivotal to accurately define the objective of your video. Number 2, choose the right channel. Identify which platform your audience spends the most time consuming video content. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, or Twitter. LinkedIn and Twitter are great for B2B brands. The rest of the platforms work well for B2C brands. Number 3, if you already have a large inventory of blogs or short form content, you can repurpose them by converting them into videos and align them with your video marketing strategy. Number 4, prepare a content calendar. It's important to decide what goes out and when. Without a calendar, your content may feel disconnected and may not serve the purpose you set for your campaign. Also, a content calendar will help you prepare your content before it's due to be published. Wait, we've got your back. You don't have to go through the monumental task of creating a content calendar. Our marketing experts have created a customizable content calendar with 50 plus video ideas for the entire year. You just need to download it and start right away. Check the link in the description to download the content calendar template. Number 5, start creating video content. This might seem like a daunting task, but wait, this is where screen recorded videos can help you save your time, effort, and money from buying expensive gear. We will look into this in a little more detail. What are screen recorded videos? The name is pretty self-explanatory. You create videos by recording your screen and webcam with voiceover. This means you don't have to rely on fancy equipment, tools, and resources to create videos. A screen recorder like Vmaker is all you need to create video content. You can create videos about your product, service, or any other topic that fancies you. Even a reaction video on a trending topic can help you attract eyeballs. I usually create videos to show around new updates or feature releases in the product. Sometimes I just record my screen and webcam with my voiceover with a seasonal greeting for social media engagement. Moving on, how can you use screen recorded videos for your video marketing strategy? The first step is to get acquainted with a screen recorder. You can get started with Vmaker for free. Just visit www.vmaker.com and install Vmaker. The next step is to use the content calendar template prepared by our marketing experts to plan your content calendar. Start publishing your videos to see the results of your video marketing strategy. Like I said earlier, the content calendar is completely customizable. Download the template, customize it, and get started right away. To know more about Vmaker, you can check the link in the description. And don't forget to download our content calendar template.